Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel on Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. If you are watching my video for the first time on YouTube, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about Alipay related topic, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have to connect with me for business reason, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen right here. So without wasting much of our time, so let's get started and see how you can know your Alipay account number without any stress. So follow me as I show you. So first thing first, we have to head over to our Alipay. So you must have so you have to open on your Alipay right here. So you click on Alipay. So when you open up your Alipay, it takes you right here. So the next step you have to take is to click on me right here. You click on me. Then it take you right here. So the next step you have to take is to tap on here. Then it take you right here. So where you see Alipay account and the way it was written, that is refers to as your Alipay account number. So anybody that want to pay into your account, just copy the number right here, or you type it. You know how you the number you use to register on Alipay. Just type the number and send it to the person. Once you send the number to the person and they use it to send money to you in your Alipay, you are going to have the balance right here. So guys, this is how you can know your Alipay account number and how you can check your Alipay account balance without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and you're going to be fine. If you still have any question for me as far as Alipay related topic is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below on YouTube right here. If you want to connect with me for business purpose, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen of this video, or you connect with me via the number on the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.